If you want to remove people from photos on a Google Pixel 11, first you want to open the Photos app on your phone. So once we open the Photos app, then you want to open the photo from which you want to remove some people. So let's say I'm going to choose this image over here. I'm going to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to go to Actions at the bottom. Now, once we go to Actions, then you can find the magic eraser, so I'm going to choose it over here. Wait a couple of seconds, and then we can tap circle or brush anything that we want to erase. So in our case, we want to erase those people in the background. We can, of course, try to do this one by one, and I think that's the best way to do so. So we can try to highlight the first person, then tap on Erase. And after a couple of seconds, the selected person should be gone. There we go. Now I'm just going to tap on the second person, and you can actually keep tapping on more and more people. So you don't have to do this one by one. You can just select, and once everyone is highlighted, you can just tap on Erase. There we go. And they are gone. Now, in case there is something left, like if you have any imperfections after removing some people, you can of course select those things as well. In case you select something incorrectly, you can tap on the select. So let's say I'm going to try to select this white part over here. I'm not sure if I can do so. There we go. And I can of course erase that too. And that shouldn't be really any problem. And once you are done, you can just tap on this check in the bottom right corner, and then use Save as Copy here at the top. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.